What is going on, everybody? DJ Minds here, and just a fair warning, today's video is going to be a roller coaster. I've got good news, I've got bad news, I've got everything in between. This thing, I don't know, just prepare, man. Oh, so this week, I'm so sorry, guys. I haven't made a video in like 4 or 5 days, and it's been intense. Last week, there was somebody impersonating me on YouTube, and I'm not talking about a comment. They literally were stealing my videos, the entire video, put my picture on their YouTube channel, was pretending to be me, trying to scam people, and I looked at their phone number. They were using WhatsApp phone numbers from Africa, and there was actually people getting scammed, legit scammed. And like I said, it wasn't just the comment section. They were like literally stealing my identity. Then I got 4 copyright strikes for my videos from somebody else impersonating me. Isn't that crazy? Uploading my video so that way they could copy strike my other videos. So dealt with that. YouTube fixed it, thought everything was done. Well, guess what, guys? It wasn't done. Then I just got banned from Discord. Yeah, that's right. They just deleted my account or whatever. I don't think they deleted it. They just banned me from Discord for no reason. Discord answer was the stupidest answer of all time, that I'm bothering people who have blocked me or servers that have blocked me and rejoining them. Like, what are you talking about? I don't even, dude, I talked to like 4 people. So obviously there's something fishy going on. Somebody's trying to take me off the internet. Don't even know why. But if we're being honest, it's probably somebody who's just mad that we have graphics cards. Like, that's really the only thing I can think of. We will definitely get back to the video title of solo mining Firo, but please just hear me out on this, guys. On a much more positive note, shout out to the mining community. Max Voltage, man, you are awesome, dude. Thank you so much for these stickers. These things are so cool in real life, dude. I had no idea. And if you guys haven't subscribed to Max Voltage, please do so. And he writes me, blah, blah, feelings, 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 words. Thanks for your contribution to the mining and crypto community. Love your channel. I look forward to the content. Max. Also, mega shout out to Chump Change and his wife, Pocket Change. Love these two, man. Get to talk to them at least weekly over there at Misfit Mining. They even were kind enough to send us the Misfit Mining Discord logo or sticker. I love this group, man. You'll see me like every other day, if not every couple days in there, man. We're hanging out, we're talking crypto, and we're playing video games. Chump Change was also kind enough to send us out these motherboard clips that I've been asking for. Basically, they keep your motherboard up off the ground. You see how like these come with all the frames? I don't know if you can actually see that, but there's one right there. It'll keep it up. It's awesome. That way you don't have to worry about static electricity. And finally, look at my new Aetherium Sweater, dude. This is so cool, especially for like this winter, early winter, depending where you live, man. I could see this just being an indoor use, outdoor use. Pretty awesome. You guys know I'm all about the Aetherium. I'm sure most of you are, but this is huge because it's the first time on our channel that a company has ever sent us anything. Here's an example, one of the t-shirts they make, man. How cool is that? Flux. I mean, you can get Ravencoin, like pretty much any project that you love, as long as it's not like brand new, like 5 days old. Like, you can get it on their website, Crypty, and I'll be showing that right here, dude. Show some support, man. It's not an affiliate link. I'm not getting any money out of it, dude. They sent me this, and I thought this was really cool, and this is something that I would use on my channel. And this one's a personal favorite for me as well, because you guys know I love coffee. I'm actually drinking this right now as we speak, dude. I love coffee. This is how you get to a man's heart right here. Somebody like me that needs energy and is always tired in the morning, dude. I get that coffee going. All right, so back to the bad news. Solo mining Firo. If you didn't check out the first video, man, we hit it big. I started doing it, and I think 3 or 4 hours in, we hit a block just like that, dude. I was ecstatic. I made like 48 hours of work in probably, what, 3 or 4 hours, which is incredible to do. It was something like $46 at the time, and I was like, wow, dude, if I just get a couple more of these blocks, because it was giving me like 6 Firo, if I just get a couple more blocks of this, man, this could be huge. As soon as I made that video, I don't know, everything went to crap, man. So yeah, like I said, within 3 or 4 hours, we hit it big, and then everything just has been awful. So yeah, this is actually the 8th day. So if you can count that to 8 days, if you want, over a week, we were making $23 a day on Ethereum. So multiply that times 7. I'll put the answer like right here or something. And in reality, I only made $46. So yeah, solo mining did not go well, man. I got cocky. I won big. I should have left at the casino, but I doubled down, baby. I shook it. I said 7, and we hit snake eyes, and yeah, we got kicked out the club, man. We broke. Mama, we can't pay the bills no more. All right, guys, so here it is. We've only hit 1 block, man. That is such crap. We are at 215% personal luck. By the way, 0 is ideal, or 1, which probably isn't going to happen, which means you got it instantly. If you get this block reward, if you ever hit a block at 100, that means you're on par, you're on average, you're where you should be. So just to tell you, 215 is way beyond where we should have been. Today is December 4th, and we hit our first block on the 27th of November at 3:54 a.m. Just to show you that it was 8% luck. That is beyond lucky. That is crazy. and now we have hit absolutely nothing. And that $45, $46 is now worth just shy of $40. Everything in the market's been going down, so I don't really blame them for that. I think one other reason that I've been having problems, not even I know, is something is going on with that rig. If you look right here, dude, it'll be running smooth for a couple hours, then it'll crash down to the mega hash, right? Or whatever this is for Firo, right? Go 178, 178, boom, 78, 77. And this has been happening and happening. So what's been happening with this rig is the second PSU just randomly turns off. I can't figure it out, man. I've tried new wires. I replaced the PSU, the cable in between the two. There must be some kind of short going on or something. I've tried moving things around. There's really nothing there. Something is shorting it and just suddenly turn the PSU off. It'll run smooth for 6 hours, sometimes 10 hours, 12 hours, and it'll shut off until you manually go over there. You can't just hit restart. Watchdog can't help this rig. So I don't know how much mega hash I've lost. I probably wasn't mining at full potential for probably 30 to 40% of it. So if you really think about it, yes, I did it over a week, but at the same time, I really didn't get to complete that full week just because this rig just randomly turns off. And if I don't watch it, you know, I'm not going to get alerted because it's still running off of the 3 of them. So the MSI, the EVGA, and the Gigabyte will still run, but only the Zotacs on that other PSU, the whole thing just shuts off. I've tried changing overclocks. As you can see, I have 0 core. I have 0 memory. I've tried every combination of everything you can think of, and that PSU just turns off for no reason. And so I don't think it's the overclocks. There's just no way it's the overclocks if the whole PSU just turns off. And I look at my activity and I see no reason of why, and that's why I say maybe it's the short or something. I can't find any reason of why this keeps happening. So this doesn't happen on Ethereum. This happened also on Flux. Shout out to Flux, or shout out to Crypt. As you can see, my Flux shirt. It happens on anything with high demand on this rig for some reason, but Ethereum, smooth as butter, never turns off. It's just such a shame that I can't figure out why this PSU turns off. So all in all, are we going to keep solo mining Firo? No way, dude, no way. We hit it big, and I should have taken out my money, man. I went to Vegas, and like I said, I rolled a 7, and I won all the money, and I should have left the casino, but I kept going. We got greedy. It's back to Ethereum now. We need to go back to Ethereum. I just got 2 more 3070 non-LHRs from a scalper. I had to pay $1,100 each. So now we should be easily over 2.3, maybe even close to 2.4 gigahash. Let's just get this bad boy back on Ethereum. But I've also been considering hitting up Raven. As I mentioned earlier, Raven coin is having a halvening. I know that sounds weird to say. Ravencoin is having a halvening next month, so this is really your last opportunity to get a lot of Raven before they nerf it. You know, you're gonna get 50% of the coin. I'm thinking maybe I'll just throw this rig on it, but then at the same time, you know, this rig, the other PSU turns off for some reason when I'm doing these higher algorithms. So I don't know. Kapow, I don't think Kapow's gonna go very well with it either. So yeah, I don't know, man. Maybe I'll try Ravencoin, and if that doesn't work for a couple days, yeah, I'll probably just switch over to Ethereum again. So here's my Discord. Like I said, I have been banned. I recreated a new account. This is not my main account, but this is the best I could do. The way you'll know it's really me is because my name will be red and it'll be under Crypto Miner YouTube. It's so sad being in because Discord didn't actually shut down my actual members, right? It didn't shut down my channel. It just banned my account. So people can still join my account, and my mods hooked me up with the role of Crypto Miner YouTube. So I'm not even in charge of my own Discord. So if something bad happens there, I apologize, guys. I have no say in it. I can't do anything. They can't make me a mod. So I can basically be a viewer of my own Discord, and you'll see me right here. Make sure the name is red and you'll know it's actually me. But it's been quite stressful, man, getting YouTube copyright strikes for people impersonating me, and then dealing with that, and then Discord. And I don't know, like I said, somebody's trying to take us off the internet. It's pretty sad because I'm a pretty chill dude for the most part, man. I don't really say anything wild or do anything to other people. I just happen to buy graphics cards. I don't know. That's the only thing I can think of. Maybe people are salty about that, but that's okay, man. We're going to keep pushing. They can't take us down forever. That's probably gonna make them want to take us down more, but forget them. We don't need them, guys. I hope you're having a good day, and another video will come out tomorrow and hopefully the day after that, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.